Hello friend, welcome back. I am Jayesh sir from Pragati Education at Desai, Gujarat. Friends, today we are going to learn noun. Noun. A noun is the name of a creature, things or places. Okay? Understand? A noun is the name of a creature, things or places. So let's learn. First noun is proper noun. First noun is proper noun. Okay? Let's understand. Proper noun is the name of a creature, places or things. Okay? A proper noun, is the name of a creature, thing or place. Okay, understand? A proper noun is the name of a creature, things or places. Let's see some example. Tommy. It means a name of a creature. Okay, a name of a creature. So Tommy is a proper noun because we learn a proper noun is the name of a creature, thing or places. So Tommy is a name of dog. So Tommy is a proper noun. Okay. Next example, Ram. It means a name of also creatures. Okay, a name of also creatures. It means Ram is a proper noun. For some examples, Usha fan. Okay, Usha fan. It means a name of a things. A name of things. So Usha fan is also proper noun. Okay, understand? And more example, Disha. It means a name of places. Okay, a name of places. So Disha is also proper noun. Okay. So next noun is common noun. Next noun is common noun. Okay, pay attention here. Second noun is a common noun. Okay, let's understand. Common noun denotes the class of a creature, things or places. Okay, remember very well. It is common noun is denotes the class of a creature, things or places. Okay, a common noun denotes. A common noun is denotes the class of a creature, things or places. Okay, clear it is? Okay, a common noun is denotes the class of a creature, things or places. Okay, let's see some examples. For example, suppose there are two mobile phones. One mobile phone is Nokia's and second mobile phone is Samsung. Okay, what is common in both? They both are mobiles. So mobile is common noun. Okay, understand? So I write here mobile because mobile is a common noun. And next example, suppose there are two boys. One name is Hitesh and second name is Ra. What is common in both? Yes, they both are boys. So boy is common noun. Okay, very good. Boy is common noun. And extra example, state. It means Haryana, Delhi is also state, but because state is a denotes the class of places. Okay. And next noun is a collective noun. It is a third noun is collective noun. Okay. It means collective noun is denotes the group of things, creature and places. Okay. A collective noun denotes a group of a creature, things or places. Okay, understand? Pay attention. I write some example. For example, team. It means a group of team. It means a group of players. A group of players. Team means a group of players. Okay. It means team is also collective noun because a collective noun denotes a group of a creature, things or places. And more example, batch. It means a group of student. Okay, understand? Batch means a group of student. And more example, army. It means a group of soldiers. Okay, understand? Because so also army is also collective noun. Okay, a collective noun denotes a group of creature, things or places. Okay, understand? Okay, learn next noun. And fourth noun is material nouns. My dear friends, we know every student have some special ability, so you learn noun is very great. Okay, please remember it. Material noun is the fourth noun. Okay, material nouns means a material noun denotes the name of a creatures. No, sorry, the name of a material. Okay, a material noun denotes the name of material. Denotes the name of material. Okay, let's I write some example here. First example is gold. You know gold is a material, so I say gold is a material now. Okay, and next is a silver. Silver is also material now. Very good. And next copper. Yes, copper is also material nouns. And pay attention here. Water. Water is so material noun. Okay, water is so also material noun. And next petrol. Petrol is so also material noun. Okay, and last noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun. Friend, here I write abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun is something that we can't touch or see because we can only feel it. Understand? I repeat it, this definition. Abstract noun is something that we can't touch or see. We can only feel it. Okay, in another words, a person is, okay, a person can't physically touch or see some things. Okay, we can only feel it. I write here this definition. Abstract noun is something. Abstract noun is something that we can't touch or see. Okay, understand? Abstract noun is something that we can't touch or see. In another words, it means a person can't physically interact such thing. Okay, another definition is here, a person can't physically interact such things. Okay, here writes some examples. For example, love. Okay, love is can't see and touch because we can only feel it. And next, here is also abstract noun because we can't touch or see, we can only feel it. Okay, and next, honesty. It means also abstract noun because we can't touch or see it, we can only feel it. Okay, understand? I write here some examples. Love is life. And next example is I love you. Here is two love words. Okay, one is love is life and second I love you. So friends, remember very well, here love is a subject. Here love is a subject and here love is a action verb. Which what? Here love is a action verb. So first love is a noun. Which noun? It means abstract noun. Okay, love is a abstract noun, but this love is not noun because he is a action verb. Okay, good. So friends, noun chapter here is a clear. Learn very well and more than practice in. Okay.